ladyship.
Why not?
But...
What's it going to cost?
It won't cost you anything, Mr...
It's all right then, because I've paid out enough already, see?
Do sit down.
Oh, thank you. Your ladyship. Bert, your cap. Take your cap off. Oh, thank you. Sugar, yes, please.
Ta.
Sugar?
Oh, say. Wouldn't have these at home. Ta.
Now, who'd like a crumpet? Oh, that would be very nice, your ladyship. Yes, it would, wouldn't it? I'm sure I saw some here somewhere. Bert, your cap. Take your cap to the table. Ah, there they are. Thank you. Another crumpet, mister. Oh, shall I take your cup, mister?
Ta.
Another crumpet?
No fear. I mean, no thank you.
Then have a cake.
Oh, don't mind if I do. Ta. These for you, Maggie? You there! What are you doing? I've lost my cake.
This is no time for cake, man! I need you at action stations in 2 minutes. The enemy are in sight. I recognise their uniforms. There's 50 of the blighters out there already.
Yes, I wanted to speak to you about that, dear.
Daddy, do have some tea.
Ah, thank you.
I'm going to have to do something. Sorry, give it again.
Daddy, do have some tea.
Good idea.